dumako, pumunta muna tayo kay Ping Lacson at dito po kay Rodante Marcoleta, mga kababayan.
A direct descendant
Nandun pala yung talagang direct descendants ni Tomas Cloma, mga bossing. No? Talagang pinagpipilitan ni Rodante Marcoleta na wala tayong katunayan, katibayan, at hindi dapat tayo yung nandoon sa KIG. Anak ng putang tao. Siya na ho Kasi mga boss chipamo sir, nandoon na, okupado na ng Pilipino. No, meron na tayong gobyerno doon. Pilit pa din yung tipo bang alam nyo na sarado na, wala na tayong pag-uusapan diyan dahil tayo na ang nandyan, ipipilit pa ni Marcoleta na kulang tayo ng ebidensya, kulang tayo ng na i-give up ayang KIG na yan. Pakinggan nyo ho.
Morning, ma'am. I guess Corpus is your maiden name. So is your husband a direct descendant of Tomas Cloma?
My husband, sir, happens to be a great grandson.
Great grandson.
Yes, sir, but that his mother's mother is cousin of Tomas Cloma, sir.
Yeah. Please extend my regards, and we'd like to thank him for discovering and occupying
Yes.
and owning and donating to the Philippine government the Calayan Island Group.
Nakita nyo po si Senador Panfilo Lacson, talagang overwhelmed siya, na talagang masaya siya, no? Talagang yung pagpupugay niya ho, mga kababayan, hindi matatawaran. Pero kapag narinig nyo ho si Rodante Marcoleta mamaya, mga bossing, huwag nyo sisirain yung mga laptop nyo o yung mga cellphone ninyo kapag nandiyan na. Ma'am Elena Garcia, pagka si Marcoleta na, pinapakinggan nyo, ha? Sige, tuloy.
That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Colonel Cloma, so you are married to the descendant of
Ayan na.
Mr. Tomas Cloma?
Sabi nung iba doon sa comment section, Boss Mark, hindi lang, hindi lang marinig yung salita. Makita pa lang daw ho si Marcoleta, nabubwisit na daw ho yung iba.
Yes, sir.
Senator Lacson made reference to his being the one who discovered the what? Calayan Island Group
Calayan
or this
Island
press
Group.
release?
Naku puto, hindi po alam. The what? Kalayaan Island Group, no? Nanako Friday, shoutout sa
Was that supported by
Ano?
reliable accounts, Colonel?
Sir, before I will speak, sir, I'd just like to make a disclaimer that my statement will not reflect of
Ang ganda ni Madam,
of my organization. So this will be my personal account, sir, and based on the stories I had from my husband, and I did a little research about it, sir. So
I'm not referring, Colonel, to the stories. I'm talking about historical accounts, if they are very viable, that the great ancestor of your husband was the one who discovered the Calayan Island Group. Is this supported by historical facts?
I have seen and read some references about it, sir.
Did you know, Madam, that, Colonel, that when Mr. Tomas Cloma made a Freedom Declaration in 1956, several countries objected because
Sabi ni Ma'am Elena Garcia, bakit kaya hindi itiwalag ng INC si Marcoleta? Sabi nga ni Marcoleta kahit ano daw ho ang sabihin niya, susuportahan siya ng INC
well, several countries like United Kingdom.
Pero sino ang meron ngayon? Ulitin natin yung kay Marcoleta kasi na-focus ako sa cellphone ko Atras ulit natin.
I have seen and read some references about it, sir.
Did you know, Madam, that, Colonel, that when Mr. Tomas Cloma made a Freedom Declaration in 1956.
Mm.
Several countries objected because, well, several countries like United Kingdom, the United States of America, China did also, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines. Did you know that?
Based on my
Hindi naman daw yun eh.
readings, sir, I only read
France.
countries like Vietnam, China,
France.
and France.
Mm.
Yes.
Mali pa yung mga sinabi ni ni Marcoleta.
Did you know that these countries objected to his declaration?
Yes, sir.
And there is a common ground, Colonel, why they objected. Do you know what the ground is?
May you please enlighten me, sir, on that?
Yes. Because according to the objectors, Kalaya,
Ano ba? Kanino ba gusto mapunta ni Marcoleta yung KIG? No? Kanino gusto mapunta ni Marcoleta yung KIG, yung Kalayaan Island Group? Eh, nandoon na po yung mga kababayan natin eh. Kasi ito, no? Kung talagang para sa sabayan natin, nandyan na yung mga kababayan natin, nakatira na, itinataas na yung bandila ng Pilipinas. No? Merong mga disagree doon sa sinasabing si Tomas Cloma ang nagmamay-ari at idinonate sa Pilipinas, mga bossing. Kumbaga ho, mga bossing, sige, total nandiyan na naman, okay na, halos atin na din yan, halos panalo na din tayo. Alam niyo yon mga bossing? Parang siya yung nag-uungkat, no? Na walang pakialam kahit na meron tayo diyang mga gobyerno na, basta kahit nananahimik yan, sasabihin ko, hindi, kumbaga, i-give up yung KIG na yan. Sabi ni Mabel Quinjo, ayaw ko talaga yang si Marcoleta, lalo sa boses niya. Sino ba may gusto? Di ba?
an island group at that time is no longer treated as terra nullius, which means that
Nobody's island, sir.
it is not unoccupied and it was not undiscovered. Kaya
Sabi ni Jordan G, kasi nga mga bayad ng China, ako naniniwala ako dyan. Mga boss, kailangan ko putulin muna kasi kailangan kong pumunta na doon sa sa trabaho. No? Mamayang umaga, magkita-kita, magsama-sama tayo. Maaga tayo mamaya, alas 8 ng umaga, naka-live na po tayo mga bossing. Okay? Jordan G, alas 8 ng umaga, naka-live tayo ha. Live natin yan, okay? Magpapaalam muna ako. Maraming salamat. God bless po sa inyong lahat.